Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a bit different because it is about how to treat COVID patients at home. So this is about how we treated some of the patients that got infected, like our family members who got infected. So first thing was that wear masks. So every day you have to change your mask, you have to keep on checking your temperature and your oxygen saturation. As you all know how the pandemic thing is going on in India especially, so some of our family members got infected, but luckily they had mild symptoms, so we kept on monitoring them so that in case they need medical attention, we had to make sure that they get one. And also we tried to make their treatment as much as homemade as possible so that there are no side effects. And usually if you are having mild symptoms, just by quarantining yourself at home for 12 to 14 days would help. And especially you have to make sure that you are having a good diet, like the fruits, so rich in vitamin C fruits, and also you have to make sure that you are keeping yourself hydrated. So for that, oral rehydration drinks that we had, or oral rehydration salts, it's the Tetra Pak is actually good, and it's better to have this one because it is easy to consume this electrolytes in this form. And you should have at least 2 to 3 packs a day. Also make sure you drink lots of water, lukewarm water. And nuts and almonds, they're also good for, like, they keep you fit. And now we'll be showing you what we did for the meals. So for the breakfast part, we had, so basically turmeric milk is known to cure a lot of disease, and it keeps you fit actually, and it has proven benefits benefits. So here you can see. So basically the breakfast was, we tried to keep it as much as healthy as possible. And vitamin C tablets, I would suggest that you all have them during this pandemic, especially the patients. So vitamin C has been proved to help in building the immunity. So vitamin C twice a day, it will cause no harm. And here you can see, I have done a separate video for bread omelette, how you can make this recipe. You can check that out on my channel as well. So for the dinner, for the lunch part, we always used to serve curd. The dishes might be different for the week, but curd and soup was always there because both of them are really helpful. Doctors recommended curd, but you do not use it refrigerated curd, use it at a room temperature. Also multivitamin tablets with the lunch, that's what they had. And now if you are having mild symptoms, then just isolating yourself in the room would help, with a positive outlook, positive thinking that you are fine. Also monitoring all your symptoms. And this is how we by following proper SOPs, we delivered the food at their door, and they used to get that in for themselves. And we use disposables so that they can throw that away later in a separate bag. They can collect it and we can throw that away. At dinner, we used to have same rice, soup and curd. Basically we are non-vegetarian, so we used to eat chicken. We used to eat chicken and meat a lot because it is a high protein, high fiber diet. So anything healthy would do. You can ask your doctors about what you can have in particular. Apart from the food, we used to make this homemade kada with all these ingredients. You can see their hair. I just only know their local names, so you can Just look at them and see if you know what the names of the ingredients are. Here you can see I am just adding all these ingredients: the black pepper, the ginger, the lemon, and all other things. And then, like here, like this, you had to squeeze the lemon. We didn't add the lemon there when it was boiling because then it will have a strong taste. So separately adding the lemon. This kada is very 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 helpful for curing cough and cold, so you must have it hot, and this will help you a lot, and it has no side effects, so you can try that. Also, steams, it has been advised to steam at least twice a day, to have steams, as steams help in curing the breathing difficulties. Also, if the lungs are not involved, so and make sure you prevent your lungs from getting involved, so the steam is also good. And thankfully they recovered after 14 days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and let us know what you did.